The BradyPrinter i7100 peel model printer is required for several special types of printing, and is unique from the standard model because it ships with a smooth peel bar that has no serrated teeth, as well as a lower assist roller with pinch roller and a take-up axle. These enable the printer to do 3 types of printing: standard printing with internal rewind of printed labels, and peel and present printing, with either manual button press label advance or automatic label advance. This video will show you how to use a peel model printer to create internally rewound printed labels. To set up your printer for internal rewind, you will need a rewind guide plate available for purchase on Brady's website, and you will also need to use the onboard hex key tool. Begin with the ribbon installed and the print head set to the open position. Your media can be loaded onto the axle but not yet threaded. Use the hex key tool to loosen the screw and remove the standard peel bar. Then, mount the rewind guide plate and retighten the screw to secure it in place. Next, load your media. Be sure the take-up axle is turned all the way to the right so that the axle is at its narrowest diameter. Thread over the take-up spindle, pulling about 12 to 16 inches of material out to finish the threading process. Next, thread the media under the white rocker arm, over the silver arm, under the print head and anti-static brush, being sure to stay in between the red media guides. You can adjust these guides by turning the red knob clockwise to expand or counterclockwise to bring together. Next, wrap the media around the rewind guide plate and lower roller, keeping the pinch roller open, and then back underneath the take-up axle. Tuck the media under the small tab on the axle, being sure to line it up with the media above it. Now, turn the green knob counterclockwise to expand the axle, to tighten it against the media in the tab. Tighten the media to remove any slack. Do not close the pinch roller for internal rewind mode. Adjust the sensor and media guides as needed. Then close your print head and hit the green calibrate button on the screen. When you send your labels to the printer, the labels should now print and automatically rewind back onto the take-up axle. You can then hand off an entire roll of printed labels to be used in your facility.